Yo, it's your boy Shadow, the Android Doctor, back again, and in this video I'm going to show you some secret codes. So the first code we're going to take a look at is how to check the software version. So basically what you need to do is just open up the dialer and then press *#1234 and then #. And as you can see, up here you can see the software version. Okay, so the second code we're going to take a look at, you can check the hardware and software. So just press *12580 then then 369 #. And as you can see, we've got both software and hardware version. And then the next code we're going to take a look at is how to check the battery stats. So just punch in *#0228#. And as you can see, you can check the battery stats. And now the next code we're going to take a look at, you can run a series of different tests. So we're just going to press *#0*#. Okay, so we can run some LED tests. So let's run the red one. Can run the green one, the blue. Can test the vibration, can test dimming, we can test the hovering. So as you can see, if I hover my finger over it, and you can also test the speaker and the front facing camera, infrared, all that good stuff. So yeah, this was just a video showing you some of the secret codes on the Samsung Galaxy S4. This also works for the Samsung Galaxy S3 as well, so be sure to check it out. If you like the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe for more videos, and thank you very much for watching. I'm out. Deuces.